Yes, corrupt intervention. They're blocked for what, 60 seconds? 90 seconds? No, it can't be 90 seconds.
Something like that.
Billy?
Oh, it's Billy. No, it's Bubba.
Bubba? Okay. Alright, maybe I shouldn't wait here. All that time you're standing around, you could be doing gens. There we go. Okay, it should be down now. Has to be a faster way up there, right? Yeah, let's go this way. Well, he's not camping here, that's good. He's patrolling. What are you doing?
Get her. Oh well, never mind. He's gonna. He's still there.
I'm going for it. Oh, so is Rebecca. Alright. I'm about to finish my gen.
He's on me. Still on me.
There's a random crow in here. Dead for ice cream. Right, my gen's done. Why not? One more for the road. Pretty far.
He's gonna get me.
Well. All the way over there. Oh, I saw that. Don't mind
Good
me.
teamwork.
Just walking by, minding my own business. Chainsaws are dangerous. Just FYI, like you'll cut yourself. I gotta go help. I'm coming. Hey, where'd Trimmy fell? Everyone run! Oh no, yes, thank you. Keep going, just keep going. Any closer blood pumps? No. Still on me? No, it's on me. Where you going there, pal? Okay, it's not safe to grab a fucking thing, just work on the gym. No! That's what I get. Imagine he has Insidious.
I hope not. Oh shit, he has Bam Bam, huh?
Bamboozle? I'm not sure.
Yeah, he does.
Just hanging around town, don't mind me. He's definitely camping though, my bar's going up.
Just going back.
I need this Rebecca to pelt Bubba with rocks. Still here, by the way. Might go to second base.
Oh shit, you went second phase.
Yeepers.
Sorry, dude.
All good.
He's coming.
Probably reset. Fuck, we should probably go get her. Is he still on you? Here, come on.
Fuck.
Autodidact? Alright.
He's looking at me now. Leave.
We gotta go. By blocking, let's go. Pump. No pump. Just all over here? Okay.
Just go do a gen, bro.
Yeah.
Please go do a gen.
Yeah.
I'm still second. Like I still need to go to second phase, so it's okay. Okay, might as well just get the. That's not a gen, Arthur.
I'm trying to see where the if there's any other regular ones. And it can't help me find those. Okay. I'm gonna get blood so I can work on a bludgeon. Where's the... Okay, she's not... Is Sable near you?
She's right behind you.
Okay, well, I got you, so it's late now. And we have to go now. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, there's another gen straight ahead.
Okay. Oh, it's a regular gen. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Go. Let's go. Let's work on this. Work on this. We have to leave her there. Unfortunately, she's gonna keep camping. I have deja vu and I have resilience.
Do you want to reset the tool list?
Bro, it doesn't matter. She's a one-hit killer.
You don't have to snap at me.
Yeah. The more time she's wasting there while on hook, the better. And look, her meter's going up. She's gonna unhook herself soon. Maybe not. The executor's right here. I have resilience, okay, so I'm gonna go put that. Oh, I have hope too. Sorry, let's just do it. Oh shit.
Nope. She died. Damn.
Oh, fuck, I'm hella dead.
Sable?
He's gonna cap me, okay? So just get out.
Yeah. It does seem like it's gonna be the case.
Yeah. Look, yeah, he's camping me.
Is he face camping you?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Sorry, Isaac.
No, that's cool.
Femboys lover. Oh, that name, that's funny.